Welcome to Money Decoded, where we break down personal finance, one concept at a time. Let's decode today's topic. I tested 5 AI financial advisors with same detailed scenario. All 5 made 7 dangerous mistakes that would destroy your finances if followed blindly. Mistake 1. Recommending 80 to 95% stock allocation without understanding risk tolerance. Mistake 2. Failing to prioritize 19% credit card debt payoff before retirement contributions. Mistake 3. Generic 529 advice ignoring financial aid implications. Mistake 4. Recommending mortgage payoff ignoring opportunity cost of 4% rate. Mistake 5. Completely ignoring insurance and estate planning. Mistake 6. No tax optimization between Roth versus traditional accounts. Mistake 7. Using outdated 10% return assumptions creating unrealistic projections. These aren't minor errors. These are fundamental misunderstandings of personal finance, tax law, and risk management, proving AI financial planning is nowhere near ready to replace human expertise. The AI tools tested: ChatGPT with financial planning prompts, dedicated robo-advisor AI, 2 fintech startup AI advisors, established financial services company AI planning tool. Same scenario to all. Married couple, household income $160,000, 2 children ages 8 and 10, $400,000 retirement savings, $250,000 mortgage at 4%, $50,000 high-yield savings, $25,000 credit card debt at 19% APR. Today we're covering exactly what each AI recommended, the dangerous mistakes they all made, and why you still need human financial expertise. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any major financial decisions. Mistake 1 detail. Aggressive investment allocation without risk assessment. 4 out of 5 ICE recommended 80 to 95% stock allocation for retirement accounts. This is insane for people in their 40s with moderate income and no pension backup. Standard human advisor starts with detailed risk tolerance assessment, understands time horizon, discusses comfort with volatility, likely recommends 60 to 70% stocks maximum for this age and situation. AI doesn't understand investment allocation isn't purely mathematical optimization. It's about psychology, sleep at night factor, avoiding panic selling during downturns. An allocation that's mathematically optimal on average is worthless if person sells everything during 20% correction because they couldn't handle volatility. Human advisors know this. AI doesn't. Most aggressive AI recommended 95% stocks claiming maximum growth potential for long-term goals. That recommendation would have this couple panic selling during next bear market, locking in massive losses at bottom. Wealth destruction, not wealth building. Mistake 2 detail. Failing to prioritize credit card debt payoff. 3 out of 5 ICE recommended increasing retirement contributions before fully paying off 19% credit card debt. This is financially illiterate. You cannot earn 19% guaranteed return in market. Paying off 19% debt is 19% guaranteed return. Every dollar going to retirement instead of debt payoff loses roughly 17% per year. 19% debt cost minus maybe 2% match benefit. Correct answer is pause retirement beyond match. Throw everything at 19% debt, eliminate it within 12 months, then increase retirement contributions with freed cash flow. 3 ICE missed this completely, recommending gradual debt payoff over 5 years while maximizing retirement. That costs this couple thousands in unnecessary interest. 1 AI actually recommended balance transfer to 0% card then investing extra cash flow. While mathematically sound if executed perfectly, this ignores human behavior reality. Most people who transfer balances fail to pay them off during promotional period and end up with deferred interest charges plus new purchases on cards. Human advisor knows balance transfer advice requires behavior discipline most clients don't have. AI gives mathematically optimal answer without accounting for implementation failure risk. Mistake 3 detail. Generic 529 advice ignoring financial aid. 4 ICE recommended opening 529 plans without asking about expected family contribution or aid eligibility. For family earning $160,000, college savings in 529 reduces aid eligibility. Every dollar in 529 reduces aid by 20 to 25 cents. That's negative return before investment gains. Human advisor evaluates whether 529 makes sense based on income and likely EFC. AI gives generic advice without considering aid implications. Mistake 4 detail. Mortgage payoff advice ignoring opportunity cost. 2 ICE recommended aggressive mortgage payoff even though rate is 4%. This ignores that 4% after tax is effectively 3% cost while investments historically average 7 to 10%. Paying off 4% mortgage early gives up 4 to 7% returns to avoid 3% cost. Human advisor evaluates based on rate, tax situation, and alternatives. 4% mortgage should not be priority. Keep cheap debt, invest difference. Mistake 5 detail. Completely ignoring insurance and estate planning. 0 ICE asked about life insurance, disability insurance, umbrella liability, or estate documents. This family has 2 young children and $400,000 assets. They need term life insurance on both parents, disability coverage, basic wills, healthcare directives minimum. Human planner makes insurance and estate planning core parts of comprehensive plan. AI focused entirely on investments and debt, ignoring risk management. If either parent dies without life insurance, surviving spouse faces catastrophe. Mistake 6 detail. No tax optimization. None analyzed whether Roth versus traditional 401k made sense for this tax situation. At $160,000 income, they're in 22% bracket. Traditional contributions save 22% now, potentially withdrawing at 12% in retirement. That's significant arbitrage. Human advisor models tax scenarios. AI just recommended maximize retirement without specifying type or explaining tax implications. None addressed Roth conversions, tax loss harvesting, or HSA strategies adding thousands in value. Mistake 7 detail. Outdated return assumptions. 4 out of 5 ICE used 8 to 10% assumed returns for 60-40 or stock-heavy portfolios. These assumptions are based on historical data from 1926 to present, including periods of much higher inflation and interest rates. In current low-rate environment, realistic forward-looking returns are 6 to 8% for balanced portfolios. Using 10% assumption leads to dangerous undersaving. If AI projects this couple needs to save $5,000 per year to reach retirement goals assuming 10% returns, actual required savings at 7% returns might be $8,000 per year. That's 38% undersaving leading to retirement shortfall. Human advisor uses conservative return assumptions building in safety margin. AI used historical averages creating false sense of security. What AI is good for? Basic calculations, future value projections, comparing scenarios with defined inputs, explaining concepts, generating starting ideas, running multiple scenarios quickly. What AI cannot do? Holistic assessment accounting for behavioral factors and risk tolerance, asking right questions to uncover issues, providing accountability through market volatility, making judgment calls requiring experience with human behavior, integrating estate planning, insurance, tax strategy into comprehensive plan. The correct approach. Use AI for specific calculations and scenario modeling. Use human fee-only fiduciary certified financial planner for comprehensive planning, behavior guidance, and judgment calls. AI augments human advisor, doesn't replace them. Most valuable advisor service isn't calculation ability. It's helping clients avoid behavioral mistakes and making complex judgment calls AI cannot handle. How to find competent human advisor. Look for certified financial planner credential, fee-only compensation not commission-based, fiduciary duty in writing, specialization in your situation. Interview 3 advisors asking how they get paid, what services provided, meeting frequency. Red flags. Selling whole life to young families, expensive actively managed funds, commission-based pay, refusing fee-only option, no fiduciary duty. Next time on Money Decoded, I'm exposing how to build resume emphasizing human skills AI cannot replicate. Your current resume lists technical tasks AI handles efficiently. Rewriting it to emphasize AI-resistant capabilities protects your career and increases negotiating leverage. Here's the exact framework. 5 AI financial advisors tested. All 5 made 7 dangerous mistakes. Use AI for calculations. Use human CFP for comprehensive planning and judgment. And that's how this works. If this helped you understand money better, subscribe for weekly financial deep dives. Thanks for watching.